There are various methods for multiplying numbers together. For example, a diagonal method. Now this is ideal for numbers with 2 or more digits. You could use a box method. This is ideal when one number has just one digit, or even repeated addition. And this is ideal for simpler cases. Of course, there's also column multiplication or long multiplication. When multiplying decimal numbers, regardless of the method, count the total number of decimal places, ignore the decimal point while multiplying, and then insert the decimal point so the answer has the same number of decimal places as those originally. To multiply 423 by 68, we start by producing a 3 by 2 grid, and we write 4, 2, 3 across the top and 6, 8 along one side. And then we draw diagonal lines, as can be seen. Now 4 times 6 is 24, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18. Then in the next row, 4 times 8 is 32, 2 times 8 is 16, and 3 times 8 is 24. We now add together the numbers between each pair of diagonal lines. Of course, in the first case we just have 4. Then we have 8 plus 2 plus 6, which is 16, so we write this as 6 and carry the 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus the 1 that we've carried is 7. Then 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. And finally we just have 2. And if we follow the direction of the green arrow, this gives 28,764. We could also multiply 423 by 68 using a box method. And here we remember to put H, T and U above the numbers to represent the hundreds, tens and units. So 6 times 4 is 24, but of course this is really 60 times 400, so in total that's 3 zeros to include, so that's 24,000. Then we have 1,200, 180, and in the next row 3,200, 160 and 24. Now if we add the numbers in the first row, this comes to 25,380, and in the second row 3,384. And then we can simply use column addition. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 8 plus 8 is 16, so that's 6 carry 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus the 1 that we've carried is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, so again this gives 28,764. In part B we need to multiply 4.23 by 6.8, and we can write this as 423 over 100 times 68 over 10. Now of course we already know from the earlier parts of the question that 423 times 68 is 28,764. So when we divide by 1000, this becomes 28.764. And you can see that there are 3 decimal places in total in the final answer, and there were 3 decimal places in total in the original sum. 2 for 4.23 and 1 for 6.8.